Navigate to the left-hand menu. Scroll down and click on the Settings icon. Once in the Settings section, locate and click on Receipt under System Settings on the left sidebar. At the top of the receipt page, you'll notice a store drop-down. Click on this drop-down to reveal a list of your available stores. You can search the store in the search field. For this demonstration, we are selecting VP Store. Next, we'll customize the receipt title. Here, I type VP Store. This field is where you define the main heading that appears on your customer's receipt. You can also choose an email template for receipts sent via email. This allows for different visual layouts or content structures for your email. Here, I choose Template 2. Moving on to the receipt footer. This is a space for supplementary information, such as a thank you message, promotional text, or store policies. Here I enter thank you message. The receipt languages. This drop-down allows you to select the primary language for your receipts. Here I select English. Next, footer QR. This field is a setting used to generate a QR code that will be printed at the very bottom of receipts. You can typically enter a URL of a website link or a specific string of text into this box. This will automatically convert it into a scannable QR code graphic when a receipt is generated. Here, I add store website link. Now, let's add some visual branding. You have options to upload a store logo for receipt email and a receipt logo for print receipt. Click to browse under each section. Now let's jump to the section that enables and disables special functions. First, we're enabling Show MRP in Receipt by toggling it on. This setting ensures that the maximum retail price, MRP, for each item is displayed on the receipt, providing full transparency to your customers regarding pricing regulations. Next, we're activating tax clarification by toggling it on. This will ensure that tax details, such as the tax breakdown or total tax amount, are clearly printed at the end of the receipt. We are now enabling AutoMail. When this feature is toggled on, the system will automatically send an email receipt to the customer if their email address is available. Similarly, we're activating Auto SMS. With this turned on, an SMS receipt will be automatically sent to the customer's mobile number. In this field, you can enter customer mobile number. Here we disable it. Now we're enabling print invoice number as barcode. Toggling this on will convert the invoice number into a scannable barcode on the receipt. We're also activating print barcode in invoice. This general setting ensures that product barcodes, if applicable, are included on the invoice. Finally, we're enabling print second language in invoice. This feature is valuable for businesses operating in multilingual regions or serving international customers. After making all your desired adjustments, click the Submit button at the bottom of the page. This action saves all the new receipt configurations to your system. Thanks for watching.